Hello, Namaste, Sat Shri Akal. Welcome back to my channel. So many of you must be having old CDs lying around at your home and you would surely not know what to do with them. And until you decide to throw them off, which I guess you will not after watching this video. So in this video you're gonna learn how to make a clear CD or cleaner CD or transparent CD like this one, and ideas to paint on. Here's how to make a clear CD. Scratch the CD from the corner, stick a tape on it and then unstick it and the coat will go off. Repeat the process until the whole CD gets clear. Don't use the CD from the sticky side, paint it from the other side. Mix light blue and light green to get sea green or turquoise blue. Mix yellow and red to get orange color. Plus red to get darker orange color. Plus white in that color to get a little light orange. Mix the colors with one another while they are wet, because after drying they will not give the desired effect. basically a best out of waste idea which you could use to decorate your room. Here I have those paintings. I have also painted one more, this one. I liked it. Okay, so, and I was thinking to use these paintings to decorate this wall. Hope you will try this cause it's easy peasy and also it will look good in your room. So yeah, anyways, for those who have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe for more such artistic content and also vlogs.